Designed for easy assembly and used even in tight spaces, this lamp combines modern aesthetics with everyday practicality. First up is the rottogoon floor lamp. If you love a timeless look, you'll appreciate its classic design. Standing tall in your living room or bedroom, it's great for anyone who wants a sturdy, stand-up lamp. It even offers 3 levels of brightness adjustment, so you can pick just the right glow for reading, relaxing, or chatting with friends. Plus, it has an easy pedal switch and an angle-adjustable head, so you can point light exactly where you need it. Just remember, it comes with a single beige shade, so double-check you're okay with that before buying. Next is the small table lamp by aooshine. This minimalistic piece is perfect for your side table in the living room or as a bedside lamp on a nightstand. It has a simple, sleek fabric shade that gives off a cozy glow, great for winding down with a good book or just adding soft ambiance to a room. One thing to note, it doesn't include a bulb, so you'll need your own LED bulb to make it shine. Otherwise, its compact size and fuss-free style make it a fantastic pick for tight spaces. Finally, say hello to the govee rgbic floor lamp. This one is all about versatility, offering a range of color temperatures and effects. Whether you want warm white to relax or vivid colors for a party, this lamp adapts to suit the mood. Plus, it syncs with music and works with smart home assistants, giving you full control over your lighting setup. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.